Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. This is an exciting moment. It's going to be your first turn between forwards and backwards, or at least the first one done on purpose. So we're going to revise a little bit the fact that we have the rocker under our skate, the banana shape front to back of our blade. Hockey skaters, remember, although you do have those rocker areas on your skate, for this skill you're going to stay slightly more central in your blade. Slightly simpler explanation for you guys, okay? Figure skaters, you're going to need to engage that rock towards the toe in order to make this work. So each time we talk about rocking to the toe, I'm going to refer to that as pushing the button, okay? Imagine there's a big button underneath your foot, like on a computer keyboard, and you want to push that button to say it's time to go, okay? So if I'm skating along and I'm preparing to do my turn from forwards to backwards, I'm going to face in towards the circle that I'm skating around. I'm going to set my feet up with a slight lead and follow of my feet. Then I'm going to push the button on both my feet and twist my hips around to face the opposite direction. I'm going to do that the other way. Here we go. I'm going to skate forwards, facing into my circle. I'm going to have a lead from this side, press the button, twist, and then release the button to allow your feet to come back down and for the glide to continue. Now, I mentioned the slight difference for the hockey skaters because you don't have the toe picks and because your blade rocks away into nowhere very, very quickly. It's going to be important that you guys stay in the central area of your blade, so when it's time to twist, you stay in that middle zone of your blade and twist just from the hips, so you feel like a pepper grinder when you go to one of those pizza places, and you're going to twist nicely in that central zone of your blade. We can still use the principle of facing into the circle, but staying in the central zone of the blade and just twist those feet, hips against shoulders, like dad dancing.
So set up on a circle pathway. Your arms should be hugging your circle and your face looking into the circle. On 2 feet with the outer foot winning. It's time to twist. Figure skaters, push the button. Hockey skaters, twist in the middle. Let's see a nice close-up of those feet. Outer foot winning, push the button, twist. And for the hockey folks, we set up, outer foot winning slightly, staying in the center of the blade to twist to backwards. Upper body should face in, ready for the twist.